Hello, so I know that you have clicked on this video because you are either brand new to print on demand, or you have been doing print on demand for a couple months or even years, and you have not been successful as you would like with getting successful with getting consistent sales. So this I wanted you guys to promote an event that is going on that I'm actually going to be a part of, but there's going to be other amazing speakers at this event that have been doing this longer than me and that have been even more successful than me. There's going to be people speaking at this event that have made millions of dollars from Etsy and print on demand. So if you want to learn from the best of the best, I suggest that you sign up for this free 4-day event. It's a virtual summit. It's called Print on Demand Unlocked, and this event is going to be awesome for people to be able to get unlock that information that maybe has been causing you to not be able to be successful. You're going to learn, specific how to create your mockups, how to do the right search engine optimization, SEO research to be able to for your products to be sold, how to create your products using Printify or other different print on demand platforms. As you can see here, we have the featured speakers. We have Chris Meets and Anna Beck. These are both print on demand strategists. So some of the things that they're going to be talking about is getting paid with these AI trends, how to make irresistible mockups to win buyers. And there's going to be a lot more speakers as we see right here. We have some top speakers. I know Dylan as well. I have been following her on YouTube. She is a very successful Etsy seller and she has made millions of dollars on Etsy. So you definitely don't want to miss the value that you can receive. She's going to be speaking on 12 ways to get free traffic to your print on demand Etsy shop. And as we know, like getting traffic is an important part of getting sales. Obviously, if no one visits your store, then you cannot get sales. So, and then, for beginners, being able to get that free traffic. So I know that she's going to give a lot of value. Also, this is another person that I've seen doing great things on YouTube and is a print on demand person, giving a lot of key information. Bringing back your Etsy shop and getting consistent sales. Kate, I know that she makes money income full time with Etsy. So again, like I said, there's a lot of different people that are going to be speaking, and you'll learn, the psychology to make 10 times more sales, how to find best-selling print on demand designs without copying competitors, designs that sell, the emotional design formula. So there's going to be a lot of valuable speakers. And so is this event right for you? This is perfect, like I said, for people who are just getting started. You want to launch a print on demand business, but you don't know where to start. You're going to be able to hear from speakers and individuals that have been doing this for years and that have been very successful. If you're already selling, how to scale and how to get consistent sales, because the goal is to be able to make money full time for print on demand, especially if you have a full time job and you want to be able to take back your time. Also, um, helping you with creating your designs. So if you are already a creative person, you're already an artist, you already draw, you already know how to create these designs, but you not necessarily know the business side and how to scale that, this is a great event for you as well. And then just overall, someone looking to be able to, like I said, build a bigger side hustle and be able to create more income for yourself or your family. So again, you can sign up. It's in a free event. Of course, they do have upgrades where you can upgrade to VIP. Um, and there's a lot of different things that they are offering. So you can go ahead and visit. I will have the link for this event in my description for you to sign up. You can simply sign up and get your free ticket. Again, this is a 4-day event. August 4th through August 7th of this year. And you don't want to miss this event. Like I said, there's going to be so much value that you can enjoy from the comfort of your home. You can simply just log in and watch all of these trainings from all of these speakers and really come with your pen and your paper and ready to learn and open to, if things aren't working for you, this is an opportunity to learn from the people. Like we see these feedback from people who joined last year. It says, this was amazing. So glad I have participated. There was invaluable information. I learned so much that I can apply right now. Thank you all to the presenters for sharing such valuable insights. This free summit has been incredibly inspiring and full of takeaways I can put into action right away. So again, I know that there's a lot of people who create content about print on demand on YouTube, but being able to attend an event that has all of the, the best people or the great people that are making waves in the print on demand and Etsy, and getting these strategies, how to market your products, whether it's with Pinterest, how to figure out how to be seen in, oversaturated niche. Because as we know, selling t-shirts and things, it can be oversaturated, but there is a way. There's people every single day that are making daily sales from their t-shirts. And so you're going to learn a lot of strategies about how you can stand out amongst other people who might be creating products in a similar niche. So there's definitely a way for you to stand out. And like I said, if you want to learn these strategies, you can go ahead. I'm going to have the link in the description, and as well as it's going to be in the pinned comment of this video. And I can't wait for you guys to learn these strategies from this print on demand summit. You guys are going to be walking away with so much valuable information, and I'm wishing you so much success. But in the meantime, before this summit comes up in August, which is about 15 to 20 days away. If you guys want to watch a video on beginner guides to using Shopify, I can go ahead and show you guys on my YouTube channel. You guys can go ahead and check out my videos that I have. Let's go ahead and see. Creative digital designs right here. Channel right here. As you can see, I have a ton of videos right now. I have over an hour-long training on how to use Canva for beginners. So if you are brand new to using Canva, or if you're just getting started, I walk you through how to use the basics of Canva so that you can go ahead and get started and, making your designs in Canva. I also have videos on creating specific bestseller t-shirt designs. I have quite a few of those type of videos, how to create best-selling mug designs, how to create a specific type of shirts for seasons. So I have a lot of value. Let me go right here to my Shopify for beginners. So right here, this guide is, as you can see, it has quite a few views, and a lot of people have said that this video has brought a lot of value to them. It's a beginner's guide for Printify, and I go over how to use Printify and use Canva and Etsy and combine all of these things to make money online. As you can see, it's a 25-minute training. So if you want to go ahead and check that out, you can get through that as well. But I have a lot of different videos on here that you can definitely use, how to create product mockups in Canva. So if you're a beginner and you want to learn how to make money online, I have a ton of trainings, over 100 videos on my channel, and I appreciate it if you would check them out. And I hope that it brings you value. Thanks again for watching, and I really hope to see you at the Print on Demand Unlocked Summit, August 4th to August 7th. And again, you can register for free. Have a great day. Bye-bye.